Hey fam, what's good, what's good? I hope that you're well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. Welcome back to another one. So today I will share a beautiful trade which I found myself, taking on this beautiful peak called the NASDAQ. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this actual content. You know what, if you are looking for a trusted and regulated brokerage, XM will be your brokerage. The link will be in my description, as well as my Patreon page, where I will find myself, breaking down these type of trades. Without wasting no time, let's get into the breakdown. Let's get it.